When people talk about SEO, the first thing you hear is keywords. But what exactly are they and how do you use them without getting confused? In this video, I'll break down keywords so that you can finally understand them, even if you're brand new to SEO. Step 1. What are keywords? Keywords are simply words or phrases people type into Google or search engines when they're searching. For example, best running shoes for beginners, how to cook jollof rice, cheap hotels in London. Think of keywords as questions people ask online, and your content is the answer. Step 2 are the types of keywords. There are 3 main keywords you need to know. The first thing is short tail keywords. They are 1 or 2 keywords and they are very broad. For example, shoes, bags, hair. Note, they are very competitive. The second one is long tail keywords. They are long phrases and more specific. For example, best running shoes for flat feet, best shoes for beginners. These are easier to rank for. Then the third one is question keywords, which usually starts with why, how, where, and what. For example, how to start a YouTube channel. What is the best niche to start in when you're starting your YouTube channel? As a beginner, focus on long tail keywords and question keywords. They bring in visitors who are closer to taking action. Now, step 3, how to find keywords. You don't need expensive tools. Try these free methods. The first method is Google Autocomplete. Start typing a word and see what Google suggests. The second thing is people also ask. To find this, look at the question box on search results. Then the last one is related searches. To find this, you can easily scroll down to the last page of Google to find them. Write down those exact phrases. Those are the things people are actively searching for presently and which can help you with your content. Step 4. Understanding search intent. Not all keywords mean the same thing. People use keywords with different goals in mind. For example, informational. They want to learn. E.g., what is SEO? What are books? What are biking shorts? They want to learn. That's why it's informational. The second one is navigational. They want to be directed to a specific site. For example, YouTube login, Facebook login, Instagram login. Then transactional. They want to buy. For example, buy Nike Air size 10. So match your content to the intent. If the keyword is informational, don't try to sell right away. Teach first. Step 5. Using keywords. Once you've picked your keyword, don't just stuff it everywhere. Instead, place it naturally in your title, in your first paragraph, in headings like H2s, H3s, a few times in the body, and in your meta description. To make sure you're actually doing it the right way, consider writing for humans. If it sounds awkwardly to you, you should consider restructuring it because you're overusing keywords. Step 6. Next steps. Keywords are just the starting point. Once you know what people are searching for, you can create helpful content to answer those questions that people are searching for. So that's keywords made simple. They are just questions people are searching online. So the first thing you should do now is finding long tail keywords, question keywords, and using them naturally. In my next video, I'll actually show you how to find the best keywords step by step using free tools. So make sure to subscribe and watch the next one.